It's where you get a Jewish person who wants to jits.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
Did that, it would fail miserably. But yet Jeff Richards got on stage and he pulled it off. And it had a lot to do with...
And where, I've been dreaming, when you're quarantined, you
have some preliminary questions from my files about you. And I know your spirit.
Really? I'm a little worried.
Of his speed as much as I can. I say push out, I mean take it in.
Okay. You go away from the pin can and go right, Okay,
Tell me about that.
I basically, that was like one of my...
They brought a bunch of old mayonnaise jars that were washed out.
You ready to...
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and music. I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boys. Killing it.